Miss Hill, how are you enjoying your formal night on board the Carnival Breeze? Ready. Look at her. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present the one-of-a-kind, beautiful, stunning Lauryn Hill. My gosh. Pass out. You want to put your phone in my pocket? I got you. Okay. Alright, so there's Lauryn, and then in the other room here, they had to use 2 counters for makeup. Here's Mama Hokum. And they're just putting the last finishing touches, and then Miss Erica as well. There we go. Now Mr. Peter has already headed up to the atrium. That's where we're heading right now. You ready, babe? So we're heading right now to meet the rest of the group. We're gonna get a couple photos done before we have our elegant night dinner tonight. Let's see where the rest of the gang is at tonight. Okay, probably. Yep, over here. Over here, baby. Ladies and germs, I proudly present the beautiful Lauryn Hill. Look at her.
Pretty.
Isn't she stunning? Look at the girls. Look at y'all. All dressed up. Ooh, David broke out the red tie for this one, guys. Where is... There he is. There's Michael. Ooh, look at Michael. Tom, I think Michael's coming for you. He's getting ready. Yep, you got yours on. Guys, I thought only Mama Hokum could do this. But it just proves that she truly is the one. Lauryn has also got pockets in her dress. How about that? I thought you were a one-hit wonder with that. I guess not. It's not a trend. What can I say? Goes. Finishing up the last bites of the appetizer. What else would you get? A salad, Thomas? A Caesar?
Spinach salad.
Spinach salad. Spinach salad. Very good. We just finished up our appetizers here in the main dining room for tonight. Mine didn't have the kind of heat. Did they put extra pepper on yours?
No.
I'm not sure. I know that pork butt today had heat. We had, I don't know what you guys had for lunch. We had guys barbecue for lunch. No, we had the guys, and that pork butt was hot. It was hot. But this was good. I had the meatball soup, and super flavorful. All around the table, everybody enjoy their appetizer? Pretty much, yeah? Are you appetized? Appetized, ready for our main course? Wasn't able to show you the menu because we're trying to get in and get out, but it's formal night, so they had lobster on the menu, they had the prime rib, they had the striped sea bass, the spaghetti carbonara, and a couple other choices. So how about your typical formal night menu here tonight on board the Carnival Breeze? For our elegant dinner tonight, I ended up getting the prime rib. We've even got a baked potato there, some onion on top, And they've already drizzled some au jus there for us. Lauren also rocking the same exact thing over there. How is it, honey?
Really good.
It looks really good. Good. Are you having a good time? Good. Guys, if you didn't know this, Lauren is actually allergic to shellfish. So, she cannot have the lobster, and I will also not have the lobster because I would be a good boyfriend. But we do have some lobster on around the table. Mama Hokum's rocking a lobster tail over there. She's tearing into it. And guys, he's told us that he's not sick, but Mr. Peter back here only sporting one lobster tail. I know. Hold your comments for the comment section. It shocked us too, but he says he had a really big lunch. So,
but it was good though. It was a really good lobster tail today.
Good. And everybody else around the table. We got Angie with her chicken nuggets. Yeah, girl, rock it out. So we are going to eat up, enjoy each other's company, and this amazing food we're having here tonight. Good. Creme brulee. Okay, I'll do the creme brulee and the coffee cream looks good. Yeah, sure. I'll do that and the coffee cream cake. Okay, thank you. Woo! I was really gonna do 3, but I didn't want to look like a beach ball. So maybe tomorrow I'll do the melting cake. Or just steal some of Lauren's.
I don't know how to zoom. Oh, I got it. Ooh, it's making me dizzy.
The dancing in the dining room. Honey, was that fun? Was that pipe? Put a little pep in your step? If this sugar here didn't do it already. So I've got a, what was this? Coffee cream cake. Yeah, coffee cream cake here, which actually looks really, really nice. Really elegant. We've got some oats in there mixed in, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about the texture of it, but we shall find out. And then right over here, of course, the famous creme brulee. Already know I'm pretty much gonna love that. Baby girl here had the melting cake with peanut butter once again, although they've overdone the melting cakes now 2 nights in a row. So I think you're gonna have to tell them that you want it super lava-like every single night here. Otherwise, it's just not gonna come out right. And I'm also gonna mention something to Alan, the maitre d' here in just a second as well, because you definitely want that to be right. If it's lava cake, it's gotta be lava. We've just finished up dinner. We are heading back to comedy right now. Lauren, you absolutely look stunning, darling. Absolutely stunning. I think my heart's stopping. Skipping a beat, definitely. Possibly stopping. You might need me. Oh. Huh?
New guy in the group.
That's right, look. Y'all, Tom has shaved the ferret off of his face.
The ferret.
The ferret. The white ferret is no more.
Now it's on top of his camera.
Yeah. If only you guys could see, we just right on top here. There it is. Here at the comedy show, like I said, we're gonna be checking this out. Now, unfortunately, there is no recording allowed in the comedy shows, and that is due to copyright of the shows. If I showed you the show, there would be no point for you to come to the show. So, we'll see you after the show. That was a lot of shows.
To the Punchline Comedy Club, where we have amazing comedians for your enjoyment. The show is just about to begin, so make as much noise as you can. Scream and shout for your comedy club host.
You heard the man, here we go, make some noise, who's ready for some comedy?
This is the Red Frog Pub. I haven't showed you this yet. So, So on board the Breeze, they have the Red Frog Pub as well. So, oh, look at this. Look. You have to try and get the ring in. Wow! I can't believe you did it! Go team! We found one more game. This is honestly probably my favorite game here in the Red Frog Pub. I guess it's shuffleboard? I don't know. Lauren, hit me with your good stuff. Let's go. Oh, nice. Oh, you're in the 3. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, she got 2. Last one. Yeah, the corners are 5s. Ah, just barely. You're in the 2. She's in the 2. All right, my turn. Board. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I think you automatically won unless I can get 5. Just hit the back corner. Well, we know who won this game. Ladies and gentlemen, hold 1 point for me. Woo! And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points for Lauren. Winner in the chicken dinner. Beat me at both games. So there's just a little bit of fun games down here in the Red Frog Pub. You guys gotta come check it out. Come have you some fun. It's right over here. Like here's the Royal Promenade Band, and so it's right here on the side. You gotta come play it. Check it out. Have you some fun. Miss Hill, how are you enjoying your formal night on board the Carnival Breeze?
Amazing.
Formal night, everything you thought it would be?
Except for I was disappointed by the melting cake. It was.
I know the melting.
Melting. I'm mad.
The melting cake has got to be more melted. We've already spoke to Alan about it. He's gonna fix it for us. Yeah, I talked to him. We're gonna head down right now to the room and just check, make sure we've got all the school supplies for tomorrow. I have a bunch of the group members getting those together, and so I want to make sure that we've got all of our ducks in a row for that. Oh, that's the wrong way. So we're gonna head down and grab those, get those all set in the backpacks, and then we're heading back upstairs to the main theater where we're gonna be experiencing our first real show. Your first real show of a cruise ship.
Yep.
It's gonna be Motor City, my absolute favorite show that Carnival Cruise Lines does. It's all about the Motown, and I cannot wait for it. It's coming up next, right after this. All right, so we're here. They're about to start the pre-show, I believe. I'm supposed to be collecting school supplies. So that's gonna be out here. Mr. Scott should be meeting him out in the atrium here. He's gonna bring me his school supplies, and then it's gonna be time for our show tonight. Showtime is Motor City. Like I said earlier, one of Carnival's best shows in my personal opinion. You got to check it out.
Roll it down. And punch, 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 and a punch. Give yourself another round of applause. Get these very dancers out there. Right on, grab the roll it up, roll it down. And punch, 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 punch. Now punch your neighbor, punch your friend, punch your lieutenant.
Keep on giving, it's tearing me apart. The way you do nothing, the way you do things, the way you do things, the way you do things, the way you do things. It's gonna be a long night shift, on the night shift. Yeah, you rock my day, let it all hang out.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your talents in the building of fire!
Well, there you have it. Our first elegant night on board the Carnival Breeze. The rest of the evening was spent enjoying each other's company, the live music, and the ambience of Elegant Night. Tomorrow, we make our first port stop in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you then.
But I can never stay away from you. Why do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on